Hey there, coming up on HISD Now, we're making sure more students start and end their day with a meal. Teachers and principals are sharing strong confidence in their schools, plus some UIL band competitions, and we're taking you inside Milby High School for this week's Campus Close-Up. It is Monday, November 3rd. And don't forget, you can skip around to any story with the chapters right below. Well, we know that many families might be experiencing added challenges during this time, which is why we're making sure more students have access to meals at the start and end of each school day by expanding meal service. Now, for breakfast, campuses have been instructed to make sure all students can get a morning meal, and students are allowed to take their breakfast to class if they need more time to finish eating. We're also expanding the after-school supper program. Now, currently, the district offers supper meals to 132 campuses that offer after-school programming, but this week we're expanding to another 99 campuses. We want our families to know that HISD is here to help in any way possible.
It is really important for us to be able to serve these students because it gives them a healthy meal to start the day off, and it makes us make sure that they are having something in their tummies and healthy when they get home, because we know a lot of the families don't have anything at home to be able to give them. So we are so proud and happy to be able to serve them to have a healthy meal at home.
Also year-round, our 8 Sunrise Centers hold weekly food distributions. Now, each center has a food pantry as well. They also have an array of basic needs and expanded services and support available at no cost to all HISD families. Now, you can find where our Sunrise Centers are located and the services they offer on our website under Families and Students. And while you're there, if you haven't already, fill out a student assistance form so our team can get you connected with the right support. Well, HISD recently gave all teachers and principals the chance to weigh in on how they feel about their campus and the district overall. 87% of our teachers participated, and according to the Fall 2025 Climate Survey, our teachers and principals are showing strong confidence in their schools and students with continued year-over-year improvement in key areas like instructional quality, communication, and school leadership. 70% of our teachers said their school is headed in the right direction, and these results were especially strong at NES schools, where 73% of teachers said their school is on the right track, and more than 80% said feedback is helping them grow and improve instruction. Among principals, a resounding 98% said they believe the district is headed in the right direction.
The teachers are here, and they're all here for one common goal, which is to have every child meet that goal of mastery of those skills. If there's some areas that we have difficulty in, we're here partnering with each other to help each other out. Administration is here walking hand in hand with us so that we can better ourselves as well.
The climate survey is part of our commitment to continuous improvement and transparency. Another survey will be conducted in the spring. This past weekend, the Waltrip Rowing Red Ram Band took part in the UIL 5A Area Marching Band Contest. This is video of their performance. Now, it was inspired by Houston's iconic Be Someone overpass, a production which the band tells us is a reminder for all of us to rise above and make our mark. Waltrip came in at 25th. The Sterling High School Marching Band also competed in this same competition this past weekend. Their final rank was 26. Now, we want to send a big congrats to all of these young scholars for showing incredible dedication, school pride, and passion for their craft. Both bands continue to represent HISD with excellence on and off the field. The Fall Air also ushered in some great performances this past weekend. Let's start in cross country, where 3 HISD standouts competed in the state meet up in Round Rock.
Here you go, Max. Push up this K.
Heights High School's Max Steele came in 85th overall with a time of 16 minutes and 16 seconds. Now, he's a junior this year, so we can certainly expect big things from him next year. And Yates High School senior Lamar Smith came in 101 overall with a time of 17 minutes and 24 seconds. And finally, senior Sophia Hamdani from Bel Air came in at 61st overall. The 4-time state qualifier ran a time of 19 minutes and 1 second in her final high school meet. Now, we highlighted each student athlete with their very own story, and each one is up on our YouTube channel right now under the inside HISD tab. And now to the gridiron. Washington couldn't keep up with Yates' offense. In the end, the Lions would take the win 63-22. Yates stays undefeated while Washington drops 4-5. Next up, Wheatley ran away with the win, beating Worthing 26-7. Worthing stands at 5-5 while Wheatley moves to 4-5. And finally, it wasn't Bel Air's day as Lamar won 49-0. Bel Air moves to 6-4 while Lamar moves to 6-3 on the season. Well, this week we're at Milby High School for our Campus Close-Up series. Now, Milby is a school with rich history and traditions located in Houston's East End. Students here are able to explore and enroll in a vast amount of high-quality programs and career pathways. Students are graduating from Milby with degrees and certifications in select fields of study.
We have career pathways such as engineering, culinary arts, health science, and business, and cosmetology that are very well known. Our culinary arts program is known nationwide. They've won a lot of national awards.
That full conversation I had with Principal Ruth Peña is up on our YouTube channel right now and on Instagram and Facebook. And speaking of those programs, keep it here on HISD Now. All this week, you'll be hearing from students who are enrolled in those programs like engineering, culinary arts, and even the medical field. Now find out why these students say Milby is truly preparing them for their futures. And this Friday, our Family and Community Engagement Department, also called our FACE team, is hosting the PTA Partnership Palooza. It's a free event for parents, PTO and PTA members, and anyone looking to get more involved in their child's school. Now come connect with other families, business partners, and district leaders to share ideas on supporting your school. Join us this Friday from 9 a.m. until noon at North Houston Early College. And don't forget to register by scanning that QR code. The flyer is up on our socials. Well, that does it for us today on HISD Now. As always, thank you for watching and connecting with us. We'll see you right back here tomorrow.